Assalamu alaikum one class. How are you all students? I am your science teacher Miss Rida Ansar. Welcome to the science class. Students, today we are going to solve exercise. So first we will solve. Choose the correct answer. First option is which of these is used to make plastic? The options are trees, sand, oil and metal. So the answer is oil. Second option is which of these is a natural material? The options are wood, plastic, glass and cardboard. So the correct answer is wood because all other things are man-made. Third option is which of these is a man-made thing? The options are river, rock, brick, bird. So the correct answer is brick because all other options are natural. Fourth option is which of these is a group of hard things? First option is stone, brick, wood. Second option is brick, cloth, eraser. Third option is feathers, stone, cotton. And the last option is stone, cloth, paper. So the correct answer is stone, brick, wood because all these are hard things. Fifth option is which of these objects is smooth? Mirror, cactus, jagged rock, sandpaper. So the correct answer is mirror. Students, now we are going to solve question number 2. Why do you think toys are made of plastic? What could happen if they were made of glass? स्टूडेंट्स, सेकंड क्वेश्चन में ये पूछा गया है टॉयज़ को प्लास्टिक से ही क्यों प्रिपेयर किया जाता है और अगर टॉयज़ को ग्लास से प्रिपेयर किया जाए तो क्या हो सकता है. स्टूडेंट्स, यू कैन राइट द आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन इन योर ओन वर्ड्स, बट द familiar answer is toys made of plastic, wood or fabric do not break easily and are easy to clean. Toys made of glass could cause injury if they break because broken glass is sharp. Students, now we are going to solve question number 3. Write these words in the correct columns in the table. Students, some words are given on the book page number 61. So put these words into two different columns which are man-made and natural things. Man-made things are car, book, bangle and pencil. Natural things are cat, stone, rain, wood, grass and mountain. Students, now we are going to solve question number 4. Some objects are given on the page number 61. So students, you have to circle around those things that are soft, a green circle, and the things those that are hard, put a green circle around them. Students, now we are going to solve question number 5. Write these words in the correct column in the table. Some words are given on the page number 62 and put these words into living things and non-living things. Students, living things are friend, monkey, potato, beetle, leg, bush, teacher, Mr. Khan, aunt and twig. Non-living things are chair, pencil, cup, knife, stamp and star. Students, now we are going to last question number 6. In this list there are one odd thing, tree, ant, stone, boy, grass. A stone is only thing which is not alive. Draw a circle around the odd one out in each list below. Student, the first option are man, flower, cat, tomato, pencil. So students, in this line pencil is odd one because pencil is non-living and all others are living things. Second option is mug, beetle, table, shoe and pillow. So students, in this line beetle is living and all other are non-living. Third one is puppy, fly, snail, train, leaf. So in this line train is non-living and all other are living. Last option is belt, clock, bridge, rock and bicycle. Rock is a natural material and all other are man-made material. So students, thank you and Allah Hafiz.